First thing first, boil the water. Spring onion, slices of ginger, and the garlic in. And then I use a 4 or 5 pieces cubes chicken stock and lid on, and then also the chicken is in until cooked. While we waiting the chicken, let's make a dipping sauce. Olive oil or vegetables oil in, wait a little bit until hot enough, and then chop off the garlic in, fry it until it smells beautiful, and then add a soy sauce, sesame oil, and stir well, and then chop off the spring onion, the carrot, and the ginger in, and then cook it for a few minutes, and then I add more soy sauce followed by the sugar, and mix well for a few minutes, and it should be ready to serve. Now the chicken is ready. I will use the soup and the chicken fat to cook the rice. Let the chicken cool first. Chop off the whole chicken into small slices like so.
Fire and ice, this love is like fire and ice, this love is like rain and blue skies.
Someone said it was a bloody good.